Hey everybody, today we're going to be talking about multiplying linear expressions or polynomials. Now we have looked at this before in class, but some of you may have forgotten or maybe just didn't have a good grasp on it to start with, so hopefully this will help you. We are going to look at multiplying linear expressions, and you can always use what is called the FOIL method. You look at those first letters of the word FOIL. The F stands for the word first, O stands for the word outer, I stands for the word inner, and L stands for the word last. So you can just remember FOIL. Just remember when you have the two different expressions, you have the 2x plus 7 and the x minus 3 here. Just remember to multiply the first terms in each set first. So you would multiply the 2x and the x. Then the outer terms would be the 2x and the negative 3. The inner terms would be the 7 and the x. And the last terms would be the 7 and negative 3. I have that done for you here on this board. And I have tried to color code and use arrows, but some of my colors aren't that dark, so hopefully you can see this. If you multiply the first two terms, you're going to multiply 2x times x, which gives you 2x squared. Then when you do the outer, you do 2x times negative 3, which is negative 6x. When you multiply the inner two terms, you're going to multiply 7 times x, which gives you 7x. And if you multiply the last term in each expression, you're going to be doing 7 times negative 3, which is negative 21. So that gives you an answer, which I don't think you can see it because I wrote it in that light blue, which I should have known wouldn't show up. That gives you a final answer of, because you have to combine the two like terms, you have to combine that negative 6x and that 7x since they're like terms, which gives us a final answer of 2x squared plus x, because when you do negative 6x plus 7x, it gives you 1x. So we just put the x, then minus the 21. I have another example for you, which hopefully you can see a little better. Maybe the purple's not going to look very bright, but we'll see. So do the first terms, which is negative x times negative 4x. Well, we know a negative times a negative is a positive. So that's going to give us positive 4x squared. Then we're going to do the outer terms. Negative x times positive 6 is negative 6x. The inner terms is negative 2 times negative 4x, which is positive 8x. And the outer terms is negative x. I'm sorry. I'm getting all confused here. Negative x times negative 4x is 4x squared. Then negative x times 6 is negative 6x. Negative 2 times negative 4x is positive 8x. And then negative 2 times positive 6, those are your two last terms, I'm sorry, gives you negative 12. So that gives us a final answer when we combine those x's in the middle of 4x squared plus 2x minus 12. I hope I didn't confuse you too much on that last one. I think I just confused myself. But just remember FOIL. Multiply the first terms in each expression, then the outer terms, the inner terms, and then the last. And then always remember to combine your two like terms that you'll have in the middle. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. See you next time.